Hello, today I'm going to show you how to operate a Nikon camera featuring Nikon D300. So, first of all, we need to turn on the camera, obviously, by switching this switch to the on. And if you want to light this little screen right here, then just turn off the light for this. You can swipe it to the right and this little screen right here is going to light up. And if you want this information, go to the main screen. You just need to press the info button right here. Usually it is going to be placed on the left side of the screen, or maybe here or here. You're going to find it anyways. And to change the autofocus, that you can see here is the small dot. We can make the autofocus, if you have it on, work on the whole photo, as you can see right now, or we can choose where it is going to place and where is it going to focus on the photo. But as you can see right now, we have this switch on L, it means locked, and we cannot move the autofocus. If you want to, for example, make a photo and put the autofocus of the right side of the photo, we need to switch it. And now we can change the place where the autofocus is going to focus on. If you want a little smaller dot place on the photo to focus on, we can switch this to this position and choose the place where it is going to place the focus on. To change the modes, we just need to hold the mode button and swipe this little command dial from the right to the left, and this is going to change us some modes. To change the shutter count, we need to just move it to the right, and this is going to make the shutter count higher, so it means that the shutter will last less time, with less time. And we can go to the left, we are going to have long exposure photos. Right now, as you can see, it is going to take 2.5 seconds. Let's just place it a little bit like here. To change the modes, we need to hold this button right here to unlock the scrolling option, to move this little circle. And this is single shot, long shots, fast shots, live mode preview, and the timer, and the MU up. This is manual option. Now I'm going to choose the live option, and now if I want to take a photo, as you can see, I'm going to see this on the screen. And as you can see, we also have this little red dot right here, and you will also see this through the scope. And we can choose where the autofocus should work. And if we switch it, the autofocus is going to take the whole video. To go to the menu, let me just put it here. We need to press the menu button right here, and now we can change all the options manually from the menu. For example, if we want to change the image quality, we are going to go in and choose the image quality, the RAW, the JPEG, and now we are going to set it, for example, to JPEG Basic. And to accept, you need to not press this button, but press the OK button. And now, as you can see, it have changed. You can also change it and as you can see here it displays, and also here, that we have the normal quality of the JPEG photos. And as you can see now also the camera tells us that we can shoot over 2000 photos with this option. And to change it with the buttons, we need to hold the quality button right here and swipe this little command dial. And as you can see, we are going to change it from the main screen, not going to the menu. And as you can see, we can shoot different amount of pictures, of photos on the different quality. And as you can see, the raw TIFF is going to take the most space on our SD card. And in the menu we can really like go through all the settings, make it good for us. For example, the color space, we go in, we can choose Adobe RGB or sRGB. I'm gonna leave it right here, and we can choose almost everything. It depends on the camera, and the newer cameras we can find obviously more options, and depends on the model. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye.